Hey everyone, today we would like to introduce you to N-Cube Villa, a family home in Tirupur, Tamil Nadu. Designed by Cubism architects, this is the story of a house conceptualized by a play of rectangular volumes. Let me give you quick specs. Spread across a plot area of 24,000 square feet, this house has a built-up area of 11,000 square feet. The house plays with the concept of lines cutting across the materials like wood and glass, creating an airy atmosphere. The interior follows a chic language with various screens and jaalis maintaining visual connectivity. If you want to know more about this project, click on the link mentioned in the description below. It will take you to our website buildofy.com where you can become a member and download full PDF ebook including the detailed floor plans, section elevation with dimensions and the material palette. You can download 200 plus PDF ebooks of the houses pan-India. Till then, I hope you enjoy this video.
When we talk about spaces, it is a combination of void, air, nature, light, atmosphere and building. Each of these are separated with a thin line which we need to bring together to create an interesting space, which is a complex process. Architecture is the only tool to overcome these complexities. Client of ours is a family of 6. He had a very simple requirement. He wanted a 4-bedroom, a spacious house. He wanted more of natural lighting and ventilation into his building. The site is located in a very densely populated area in Tirupur. The site was actually not proper rectangle. It had an inclination towards the north side and there was this main road on the southern side of the building, and this is very densely populated area and there are a lot of commercial complex. There are many shops around the site. The site was close to 1 acre.
He believes in Vastu, so there was suggestion from Vastu person to cut off all these angular edges and make site into proper rectangular. We just made straight lines and these areas we used for planting trees, and even there are a lot of grown trees on the front side on the east side which we retained as it is, which blocks the main residence from the roadside because this is very commercial space. We have given northeast entrance as per Vastu and road has been formed here. Residence has been kept it on the southwest corner. This is the main entrance to the house. The parking has been given on the extreme corner, that is northwest corner of the house. We started placing the rooms according to the Vastu. So southwest corner, the bedroom comes here. So it is the master bedroom. Instead of giving direct entrance from the common area, we have created a small lounge of space in front of the bedroom. And when you enter on right hand side, you have dressing and the toilet over here. And this court serves the purpose of getting lights from here. Next to that, the puja room. He wanted to have a main entrance straight opposite to the puja room. Next to the puja room, there is a guest bedroom. And then guest bedroom has been placed in such a way that it has got a separate private entrance, which is again to maintain the privacy. Next to the guest bedroom, there is a lift, and next to the court, this is a living room. The interesting part about this living room is it is wide open on the north side. The entire north side we have given garden. So living room is again double height living room with a high touch of wooden ceiling. Main foyer comes here. So this is a water body which is flowing water, and we have created couple of spaces where he can perform his meditation. We have to follow Vastu, and this entire structure has to be square, and we have started drawing these lines. So these slabs are multi-layered slab on north side, and these horizontal linear lines just used as a elevation element with the wooden ceiling. We have introduced a few circular columns here and there, and these circular columns are of different heights, different sizes, just to create interesting pattern. So that was a kind of challenge for us to how to treat this area. But because of Vastu and then because of rainwater collection detailings, we were able to achieve that particular slab. So these double height extended slabs are one main feature of this house, which gives us the shaded area during hot summer. Foyer comes here, then next to the foyer, then you have a small court, and then next to that we have kitchen area. So these are the few small detailing like court here, which allows us to drag light from all these areas for the common area. There is a central family area, central block. This entire thing is family area, which is again double height, and then dining comes somewhere here, and the powder room and entrance to the kitchen. So we were able to place the metal staircase in between dining and the master bedroom, which also helps us to maintain the privacy between these two areas. These courtyards, we have just introduced the metal detailings, metal structures. We divided into these things, and we started placing some kind of bricks and here and there. So this forms a screening to this private area, but as well as it creates a nice pattern. Few area like in foyer and the main door of this house, we have used metal, which represents again the symbolic representation of Isha Foundation detailings. So if you look at the main door, embedded metal work, which is a form of snake. So we tried doing that on the main door. We tried introducing the cast iron metal jali in the foyer area, which acts as a security screen or security grill, as well as the visual connection. Coming to the first floor, the master bedroom again placed on the southwest corner. So the lounge comes here. So we just wanted to avoid those heat receiving areas. So we have just introduced double walls on these edges of the south and the west side of the wall. Then after this dressing toilet, the meditation room, which is exactly above the puja room, and generally he spends this particular second session of meditation during evening time here. Then next to that, the daughter bedroom. So daughter bedroom, again it has been placed in the northwest corner of the house. So staircase comes here, and this is the central double height part. Library comes here, and the home theater comes here. Gym part comes here, and there is one small washroom for the home theater users. So again the same cut was formed here. We extended this part also, and then we extended this part, and we have introduced few cutout in the ceiling, which gives really nice detailing during the evening time. The entire color palette was very well thought of, considering his lifestyle. So we just wanted to maintain clean, neat finish, sober detailings. Sober colors have been introduced. So flooring we have used the white Bianco Lhasa marble, which is from Vietnam, and we have introduced Palesandro in foyer and living room here and there to break the monotony in the flooring. The colors which are reflecting from this Palesandro has been used in the furnitures and in the paintings. The flooring combination complements to entire space. So walls have been kept more largely on the white extent, and on the walls we have used few artwork detailing like artifacts bought from Bali, and the vibrant color paintings and all on the walls. The double height ceiling has been introduced, and wood has been introduced in few areas where it gives kind of traditional touch. He was very particular about using rainwater collection from entire structures. We tried creating large terrace areas to get more of rainwater collected from the structure, we were able to achieve rainwater in a such a way that they will be using this rainwater for the next 7 to 8 months. So entire terrace has been created in a such a way that we were able to achieve around 8,000 square feet of terraces, and this 8,000 square feet during rainfall, during rainy season in Tirupur, we were able to achieve around 8 lakh liters of water from this particular building. So we had to create a groundwater tank in the northeast corner, which is close to 2 lakhs liters of water. So entire rainwater, whatever is getting collected, has been bought in one pipeline and we have diverted here.
By providing solar panels, large openings, landscaping, and rainwater harvesting, we were able to achieve the requirement for a green building. And by adding a contemporary touch of architecture, we visualized the residence as a play of rectangular volumes by introducing various layers of design as per client's requirements. And by placing the building in a rectangular plot, the project makes the most of it by using a contemporary build form with well-planned green spaces around it.